My mind longs for balance, weary of its scattered thoughts, their weight, their power, and my inability to quiet the storms they unleash. It's tired of the darkness they plunge us into, and the fires they ignite that consume everything in their path. Even so, it's equally weary of the peaceful thoughts, those fleeting moments of silent stillness that hypnotize us into tranquility, granting just a brief taste of mental calm before the next storm strikes, and a glimpse of light before it's too late. I have come to realize the deep contradictions within myself. My soul once craved to exist as a single, untouched version of who I am. However, I discovered that we hold many identities. We embrace these multiple selves to satisfy our restless nature, to truly feel the storm raging within, and to experience the unmasked depth of our darker emotions.